Owls have 3 sets of eyelids. Meet the enigmatic creatures of the night, owls. With their distinct hoots, they captivate our curiosity. Owls, celebrated for wisdom, have eyes bigger than their brains. Intriguing, isn't it? Their camouflage feathers make them masterful hide-and-seek players. Invisible in the wild, they're nature's secret agents. Their rotating necks, spinning a whole 270 degrees, astound us. It's a built-in radar, picking up sounds and sights. Finally, did you know, owls don't build nests? They prefer taking over others' homes. Talk about a wise move.